Today we're going to see about pollination. What is pollination? Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma. It is very wonderful mechanism because it providing the food and shelter for pollinating animals. Many plants are pollinated by a particular animal species and the flowers are modified according to that. That's why both the plants and the animals co-evaluate. Let us imagine if the pollination is failed, what will be happen? There is no fruit formation and seed formation. Then pollinating organism and those depending organism food is question mark only. Here lies the significance of process of pollination. The reproductive organs, stamen and pistil are spatically separated mechanism which is essential for pollination. That means pollen grain to reach the stigma. After reaching, the pollen grain start germinate. Pollination is a characteristic feature of gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, all the spermatophytes. That means seed producing plants all. That is two classes, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm pollination is called direct because pollens are deposited directly on the exposed ovule because here ovary is absent. But angiosperm indirect pollination because pollens are deposited on the stigma of the pistil. After reaching the pistil, then only it start germinate. Pollen grain. Majority of the angiosperm flowers are open and exposed when it is the mature condition. That is the anther and stigma exposed for the pollination. That type of the flowers are known as sesamogamous flowers. The phenomenon is known as sesamogamy. Cell pollination is uncertain and depending for the pollinating agent. Example hibiscus. In other plants, pollination occurs without opening and exposing their sex organ. Such type of the flowers are known as cleistogamous flower. This phenomenon is known as cleistogamy. Here, cell pollination is certain and no need for pollinating agent. Example, camelina. Here, the given flower is cleistogamous flower, that is autogamous, that means self pollinating flowers. So, based on the flower on which the pollen of the flower reaches for pollination, it is classified into two kinds. First one, self pollination otherwise known as autogamy. Second one, cross pollination otherwise known as allogamy. Self pollination are called as autogamy. So here the transfer of pollen grain on the stigma of same flower is called the autogamy. It is only possible in bisexual flower and promoted by the several adaptations or mechanisms. So now we are going to see about that adaptations or mechanisms. First one, cleistogamy. The flowers never open and expose their reproductive organs. Pollination only carried within the closed condition of the flower itself. Example, Camelina, Viola, oxalis. Camelina bengaliensis produce two types of the flowers. One is aerial flowers, another one is underground flowers. Aerial flowers Aerial flowers are sesamogamous flowers. So it will be having bright color. So this bright color attracting the insect for the pollination. So insect pollination it will be takes place in aerial flower. Underground flowers. These flowers are born on subterranean branches of the rhizome. So here the producing the flowers are cleistogamous flower. The flowers are dull colored because here it is not depending any pollinator for the pollination. So it not attracting. So that's why it will be having dull color and all the flowers are self-pollinated, autogamy. Homogamy. Stamens and stigma of the flower mature at the same time, so it is the favor for the self-pollination. Example, Mirabilis jalapa, Catharanthus roseus. Third one, incomplete dichogamy. So here stamens and stigma of the flower mature at different time, but sometimes the time of the maturation is essential organs overlap, and so become it is a favor for the self-pollination. Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination means transfer of pollen grain on the stigma of another flower. Okay, it is classified into two types, gentonogamy and xenogamy. Gentonogamy means the pollen deposited on the another flower of same individual plant. So the plant is mostly monoecious condition and functional cross pollination, but it is similar to the autogamy because the pollen and stamen pollen and ovule it will become from the same plant, so same heredity only it will be seen. That's why it is similar to autogamy. Then second one, xenogamy. Here the pollen deposited on the another flower of different plant of same species. So genetically here different. Contriverance of the cross-pollination. The plant has several mechanisms that promote cross-pollination is known as contriverance of the cross-pollination or outbreeding devices. Dicliny or unisexuality. When the flowers are unisexual only, the cross-pollination is possible. Here two types, one is monoecious and second one dioecious. Monoecious, male and female flowers on the same plant. For example, coconut, bitter gourd, cucumber. So like plants. Castor and maize also example for this monoecious. So here autogamy is prevented but xenogamy takes place. Dioecious, male and female flowers on different plant. Example, Broscus, Carica papaya and date palm. Here both autogamy and gentonogamy both is prevented. So only possibility cross pollination, xenogamy. Monocliny are bisexual. So here the flower it is the bisexual, but some special adaptation it preventing the self pollination. The first one, dichogamy, that means bisexual flowers they have in the anther and stigma, no, the maturity condition it will be at different time, maturity at different time, so it checking the self pollination. So maturity organ based upon that it classified into two types. The first one, protandria. Second one, protogyny. Protandria means the stamens mature earlier than the stigma of the flower. Example, Helianthus, Sclerodendron. So these are the example. Then second condition, protogyny. So pro means primitive. So gynoecium part mature earlier than stamen. Example, Scleroborea nodosa and Aristolochia bracteata. Here they are given the pictures of Scrobularia nodosa, Aristolochia bracteata. Hercogamy. So here bisexual flowers, stamens and stigma are arranged in such a way that prevent the self-pollination. For example, Gloriosa subaba. So the style is reflexed away from the stamens. In hibiscus, stigma protect above from the stamen. So when it is the project above from the stamens, it prevent the self-pollination. Heterostyly. Hetero means different. Different size in the style. Some plants that produce the two or three different form of the flowers that are different in length of the stamen and style. Okay, the pollination will takes place only between the same length of the organs. Distyly. The plant produce two form of the flowers. One type, first type that is pin or long style. long stigmatic papillae, short stamen, and small pollen grains are produced in one flower. Second flower, trump hide and or a short style, small stigmatic papillae, or long stamen and larger pollen grains are produced in primula flower. Then the stigma of the trumped eye flowers and the anther of the pin lies in the same level bring out the pollination. The vice versa that the pollination it will be takes in the primula flower. Tristyly. So here the plant they produce the three kind of the flowers. So here respect to the length of the style and stamens, they are the pollen from the flower of the one type can be pollinate only the other two type but not their own type. Okay, example like Dharam. So the given picture here, Lythrum. So here tristyly. So in the first picture the stigma is taller. Okay, it is the long stigma. So pollinated by other two flowers, longer stamen. Then second picture, medium sized stigma pollinated by other flowers, medium sized flower stigma, stamens, and last one shorter stigma pollinated by other two flowers, shorter stamens. Self sterility or self incompatibility. So on the some plants when the pollen grains of the flower reaches the stigma of the same, it is unable to germinate or prevented to germinate on its own stigma. Example abutilon or passiflora. So it is a genetic mechanism. For example here the given picture distyly and tristyly. So when it is receiving the different level, okay, the stigma is taller means the stamens are tall or only it will be allowed for the fertilization. Instead of that any size, that is the medium size otherwise smaller size of the same species, it will becomes, it is not allowing for the pollination. So that mechanism only called the self sterility or self incompatibility.